You one of those moms thinking, how's it possible for other moms to start earning online with their babies on their arms? It was me. I used to scroll on TikTok and admiring so many other moms who is making money online. How is it possible that you could even start earning online with a baby? I had a whole different outlook on digital marketing back then. But until I discover a step-by-step blueprint, a system that's designed for beginners, you don't need to be tech savvy or have any fancy degrees. You learn and earn at the same time. And what I love about this program, you don't need to create or build anything yourself because this program also comes with a pre-built website. You don't need to be an expert, my friend. You just need to get started. You have a phone and you have Wi-Fi. You watch this video, so you have a phone, obvious. If you are one of those moms thinking, how is it possible that other moms out there making money online with a baby? My dear, that was me. I started when my baby was still in my belly. So put a word start in my comments and let me plug you exactly how I follow these steps and making money online as a stay-at-home mommy.